Welcome to another episode of our retrofit series, where we showcase one of Spartan's retrofit solutions. The subject today is Oventrop valves with an M32 by 1.0 connection. Oventrop valves are widely used and typically come equipped with actuators that mount using an M32 by 1.0 thread. When it's time to modernize or replace the actuator, that thread size can limit your options. If the valve body is still in good condition and you simply want to mount a more modern actuator, our AV43 adapter is the solution. The AV43 converts M32 by 1.0 to M30 by 1.5, allowing you to install any Spartan actuator directly onto the existing Oventrop valve body. Just remove the old actuator, install the AV43, and mount your Spartan actuator. We'll be using an ME7340 for this demo. But what if the valve cartridge itself has failed, not just the actuator? That's where our AV44-35 retrofit cartridge comes in. The AV44-35 is a complete retrofit cartridge designed specifically for Oventrop valves with an M32 by 1.0 connection. Once installed, it converts the valve to M30 by 1.5. allowing you to mount any Spartan actuator while restoring proper valve performance. As always, make sure the system is fully depressurized before removing the existing cartridge. Once installed, mount your Spartan actuator and you're back up and running without replacing the entire valve body. That concludes today's video. We continue to expand our retrofit lineup to help you modernize systems, avoid costly replacements, and extend the life of installed equipment. Let us know what retrofit challenges you'd like us to tackle next.